What if you replaced all your drinks with water? If you're anything like us, your daily diet consists of drinking coffee or tea first thing in the morning and having countless cans of soda or energy drinks to give us a boost of energy to go about our day. Everyone knows that it's an unhealthy way of living, and they just need a push that will make them quit these sugary drinks for good. And well, this is that push. Welcome to Health Yard. Today we're going to explore the benefits you'll gain from substituting drinks you drink on a regular basis with the good old-fashioned plain water. Number 5, you'll lose weight. This one is a no-brainer. However, most people don't think about how many calories you're putting in your body when you're drinking sugary drinks and coffee in the long run, especially if you drink them on a daily basis. So, to put things in perspective, it has been found that if someone were to quit all drinks but water for 9 days, it equates to an 8 kilometers jog per day. Number 4, you'll have radiant skin. The damage that soda and carbonated drinks do to the body is oftentimes overlooked. If you're someone who constantly struggles with dark spots on your skin, as well as skin dryness, it's highly likely all these skin problems are caused by sodas as they damage skin cells and collagen bonds. It's recommended that you stop drinking these harmful drinks if you want to have glowy and radiant skin. In addition, when you replace all drinks with water, the hydration will give that extra oomph to your skin for that healthy and glowing complexion. Number 3, no more hair loss. Hair loss is a devastating problem that a lot of people struggle with, even from a young age. What you might not know is that alcohol, caffeinated drinks, and sodas might be the culprit that's been causing your hair to fall and stunting your hair from growing. If you consume any of these drinks regularly, it's probable that your hair is brittle, flaky, and has split ends. Quitting all drinks but water will hydrate your scalp and promote hair growth. And if that isn't enough reason to motivate you to take this drastic lifestyle change, it's also worth noting that water does wonders to dandruff and itchy scalp. Number 2, your brain becomes sharper. Dehydration is one of the main issues that's caused by overcompensation of alcohol and carbonated drinks. The effects of dehydration on the body are terrifying and at times life-threatening, and the same can be said in regards to its effects on your mental health. It causes a chemical imbalance in the brain which, consequently, lends to a lack of clarity, stress, depression, and poor memory. When you quit these drinks, you're basically doing a favor for your brain. You'll shortly notice that you're able to focus better, your memory becomes sharp, and you're not as exhausted. Number 1, it detoxifies the body. When you look up ways to detoxify the body, the search results will be filled with strange concoctions that can detoxify your body from toxins. There's no doubt that many of them work, but the only problem is that you can't drink them nonstop. As for water, you just can't overdo it. And it does the same job as all these other drinks. It cleanses your body from harmful toxins and helps digestion as well. That's it for today's video. We hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Health Yard for more health-related content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.